Every day you wake up with the same gift. 24 hours, 1,440 minutes. Rich people get it, poor people get it, successful people get it, struggling people get it. The difference is not in the time they receive, the difference is in how they use every minute. In this video, you will learn how to use every minute wisely. Not in a stressful way, not in a robotic way, but in a powerful and intentional way. By the end of this video, you will start looking at time differently. And when you look at time differently, your life begins to change. First, you need to understand something simple but deep. Time is not money. Money can be lost and earned again. Time cannot. Once 1 minute passes, it never returns. That minute becomes part of your past forever. When you truly accept this, you stop wasting hours without thinking. But here is the problem. Most people do not waste time on purpose. They waste it unconsciously. They open their phone for 5 minutes. Those 5 minutes turn into 30. They sit to rest for 10 minutes. That rest becomes 1 hour. The day ends and they feel busy but not productive. So how do you use every minute wisely without feeling pressure all the time? The answer is awareness. Awareness is the first step. Start noticing where your time goes. For one day, observe yourself. Notice how long you scroll. Notice how long you talk without purpose. Notice how often you switch between tasks. When you see the truth, you gain control. Most wasted minutes are hidden in small gaps. Waiting for someone, sitting in traffic, standing in a line. These small moments look unimportant, but together they can become 1 or 2 hours every day. If you learn to use these small minutes, your life changes. For example, while waiting, you can listen to a podcast. You can review vocabulary. You can plan your next task. You can reflect on your goals. Small minutes, used wisely, build big results. But using every minute wisely does not mean working every minute. That is a mistake. Rest is also wise use of time if it is intentional. Scrolling mindlessly is not rest. Sleeping properly is rest. Walking outside is rest. Spending focused time with family is wise time. The key word is intentional. Ask yourself, did I choose this activity or did it control me? Now let us talk about focus. Focus is the power that makes 1 minute equal to 5. When you are fully focused, you can complete tasks faster and better. But when your attention is divided, even simple tasks take double time. Today, distractions are everywhere. Notifications, messages, emails, social media. If you want to respect your minutes, you must protect your focus. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Put your phone away during important work. Create short blocks of deep focus. Even 25 minutes of deep focus can produce more results than 2 hours of distracted work. When you train your mind to stay with one task, your minutes become powerful. Another important principle is clarity. If you do not know what matters, you will waste time on what does not matter. Many people are busy all day, but move nowhere. Why? Because they do not decide their priorities. Every night, take 5 minutes to plan tomorrow. Choose 3 important tasks, only 3. If you complete these 3 tasks, your day is successful. When you wake up, you already know where your minutes will go. Without a plan, your minutes will be controlled by other people's demands, messages, calls, random requests. A clear plan protects your time. Now let us talk about energy. Time is important, but energy decides how well you use it. If you sleep late and wake up tired, your minutes feel heavy. If you eat unhealthy food, your focus becomes weak. To use every minute wisely, take care of your body. Sleep enough hours, drink water, move your body. These simple habits multiply your productivity. A strong mind inside a tired body cannot perform well. Another powerful habit is starting immediately. Many minutes are lost in delay. You think about doing something, you prepare mentally, you wait for the perfect mood. The perfect mood rarely comes. If a task takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. Do not postpone small actions. Small delays become big stress later. Also, learn to say no. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you say no to something important. Protect your time from unnecessary commitments. You do not need to attend every event. You do not need to reply instantly to every message. Respect your minutes, and others will respect them too. Now think about your future. Where do you want to be in 1 year? The answer is hidden in how you use your minutes today. Big success is not built in one day. It is built in daily minutes of learning, practicing and improving. If you spend 30 minutes every day learning a skill, in 1 year you will have invested more than 180 hours. That can change your career. But if you spend those minutes scrolling, nothing changes. Small daily investments create big life results. Let us also talk about mental presence. Sometimes you are physically in one place, but mentally somewhere else. You sit with family, but think about work. You work, but think about entertainment. This splits your time. Use every minute wisely by being fully present. When you work, work fully. When you rest, rest fully. When you talk to someone, listen completely. Presence improves the quality of every minute. Do not try to fill every second with activity. Silence is powerful. Reflection is powerful. Take a few minutes daily to think about your actions. Ask yourself, did I use my time well today? What can I improve tomorrow? Improvement does not require perfection. It requires honesty. Another trap is multitasking. Many people believe multitasking saves time. In reality, it reduces efficiency. The brain works better on one task at a time. Finish one thing, then move to the next. When you complete tasks, you feel progress. Progress builds motivation. Motivation helps you use future minutes better. Now let us talk about habits. Habits decide how your minutes are spent without thinking. If your habit is to check your phone immediately after waking up, your day starts with distraction. If your habit is to read or exercise in the morning, your day starts with growth. Design your habits carefully. Small daily habits shape your future automatically. Another important concept is deadlines. Without deadlines, tasks expand. If you give yourself 1 hour for a task that needs 30 minutes, it will take 1 hour. Set clear time limits. Challenge yourself. Work with urgency, but without panic. Urgency creates focus. Let us discuss digital control. Technology is useful, but uncontrolled technology steals minutes silently. Set specific times for social media. Do not open it randomly. Use apps that track your screen time. Awareness reduces waste. You must also understand that not every minute must produce money. Some minutes build relationships. Some minutes build health. Some minutes build peace. Wise use of time means balance. Balance prevents burnout. If you feel overwhelmed, pause, take a deep breath, organize your thoughts. Chaos wastes time. Clarity saves time. Remember, discipline is freedom. When you control your minutes, you control your life. When you let distractions control your minutes, life feels out of control. Start small. You do not need to change your whole life tomorrow. Choose one area. Maybe reduce screen time by 30 minutes. Maybe wake up 20 minutes earlier. Maybe plan your day before sleeping. Small changes repeated daily create transformation. Imagine two people. One wastes 45 minutes daily. The other invests 45 minutes daily in learning or building something. After 5 years, their lives look completely different. The difference was not talent, it was daily minutes. Your future self is created by your present minutes. Be patient with yourself. Some days will not go perfectly. That is normal. The goal is progress, not perfection. Celebrate days when you use your time well. Learn from days when you do not. Improvement is a journey. Every minute is like a seed. You can plant it wisely, or you can throw it away. If you plant enough seeds, you create a garden of success. If you throw them away, you create regret. Right now, as you watch this video, minutes are passing. Decide that after this video ends, you will not return to old patterns. Decide that your time matters. You do not need more hours in a day. You need better use of the hours you already have. Respect your minutes. Protect your focus. Plan your priorities. Build strong habits. Rest intentionally. Stay present. Take action quickly. Say no when needed. Learn daily. Reflect nightly. If you practice these principles, you will not only use every minute wisely, you will build a life that feels meaningful and productive. Time is silent. It keeps moving. The question is simple. Are you moving with it, or are you letting it move without you? Your life is built 1 minute at a time. Use them wisely, starting now.